my name is Sania Aslam. I would like to share exciting news with you guys. Qassar Mustafa Bhutta encouraged active participation in upcoming New York elections. A call for full civic engagements. New York City in a remarkable turn of events. Qassar Mustafa Bhutta, CEO of Pakistani American News Channel and media advisor of PPP USA, has been appointed as a pivotal political worker as for the upcoming crucial elections in the New York. Qassar Mustafa Bhutta, known for the dedication to community services, has been urged citizens to wholeheartedly participate in democratic process and make their voices heard. In the statement,
Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I am Qassar Mustafa Bhutta, Chief Executive of Pakistani American News Channel, and I want to share this amazing moment that I am humbled and yet grateful for. You see, as a proud and successful Pakistani immigrant and United States citizen, I am experiencing the American dream that I have embarked on. It is a great feeling for me and my family during these precious moments. My latest blessing is for the training and appointment by the New York City Board of Elections as a qualified poll worker and the upcoming election on November 7, 2023. Eligible voters will cast their ballots for judicial and city council candidates and proposals for amendments to the Constitution. I will respectfully serve as a poll worker with pleasure and confidence and as a proud American citizen. Thank you.